For the last 18 months, we've had conversations that have been obsessed with code. Which model has the most parameters? Which one has the longest context window? While the code's essential, you can't win a Grand Prix in a minivan. The engine alone does not win the race. The AI model is just a component, is completely blind without context, and completely useless without the physical capacity. So I work with software and technology companies across the country. And one common mistake I see is the one we call a model-only illusion. And we're seeing this commoditization of brilliance. The models are getting smarter, faster, and cheaper every day. But here's the hard truth. Code is a level playing field, not a competitive advantage. If everyone has access to the same high-powered engine, the engine isn't why you win. You win because of how you use it. AI is only as powerful as the data that feeds it. Data hygiene isn't an IT task, it's a foundational business imperative that's creating a sustainable competitive advantage. And our friends at Domo know a thing or two about this. The gold rush era for AI experimentation is winding down, and the era of operational excellence is officially here. The companies that win the next decade won't be the ones that wrote the loudest, most hype-filled press release. They'll be the ones that had the discipline to align their code, their context, and their capacity. They'll be the builders who design resilient, cost-effective, and secure digital assembly lines that solve real human problems.